Hey, Edgars and Funneltopia here. New update related to forms. If you go to Sites, Forms, Builder, you can now add the payment element to all the regular forms. So let's go take a look. It's actually kind of a cool feature. So just open any form, right? A form that would have like a, name, email, phone number, whatever, right? All those options. And here you can see, let's actually delete it. This is like a regular form, right? But if you click on Add Form Element, if you scroll down, there should be a payment element over here, right? So if you drag it in wherever it is necessary, and then you click on it, here you can see we can collect our credit card information, right? So we have to add products. So we have two options. We can sell products, or we can do a custom amount, which we'll do in a second. So for now, let's just add a few products, right? Then I'll show you how you can change the layouts and all that stuff, right? So let's say one product is t-shirt. Obviously, you can choose whether you want to have the description and the image within like the visual part of it. It's just how detailed do you want to be, because it takes up space, especially if there's several columns. So this is like one product. Let's go add a couple more. Add product. I wish I had images for them, but yeah, just to give you like a better visual representation. And the last one, let's just add three. What was it? Let's do book. Let's do that, right? So there's three elements. Obviously, you can go in here and edit what element it is and all that stuff, right? And if you scroll down here, you can do the layout, right? Now you can see that they are one after another, and you can do two columns, or you can do three columns, right? You can do multiple of these. And the cool thing about it is, if we save it and go preview, and over here you can see that there's not only there's just one element now. If they have several elements, they can actually pick which ones they want, right? They don't have to buy just the one thing, right? They can select, I want this one, I want that one. So that's kind of a cool thing. And as for the other option is, up top it says sell products. The other option is custom amount, which is kind of a cool thing as well. They can actually select what the amount is. I don't know what the purpose would be. It's just basically pay, how much you, or donate, I guess donate, or like, like the tip function on the Uber Eats app, right? You can just kind of pick a tip, or select other amount and put in your own, kind of like the number you want to put in. So it would look something like this. Let's preview, right? So over here, they can select theirs, whichever one they want, or they can select other amount, they put it in, and obviously they put in their information, right? So that's really cool. There's quite a bit of flexibility over here. And obviously here you can select the currencies, right? The actual currency and the amounts, you can select them here. So yeah, these are two really cool things that you can add with forms. It adds a lot more functionality to your forms. Definitely go check those out. And if you have any other questions, 24/7 chat support as per usual. Let us know what questions you have about this, about anything else Funneltopia related. And yeah, if there's no other questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.